Kids Zone with Trishy. Bluey and Bingo. Bluey is going home. Bluey walks up the stairs. Look who's joining Bluey. Is it Bingo? Yes, it's Bingo. Here comes Bingo up the stairs with Bluey. Bingo and Bluey are both home. Socks wants a treat. What should we give Socks for a treat? Bluey gives Socks a bone for a treat. Socks says thank you. Bluey is hungry for a snack. What shall Bluey have for a snack? Yes, a banana. Bluey loves bananas. Do you like bananas? Yes. Bingo wants something to drink. Some water, fresh water for Bingo. Bluey finished the banana. Now wants a drink. Bluey and Bingo want to play. Let's play with some blocks. Bluey and Bingo built a big block tower. Now they're playing with their toy hippo. Let's get a little toy car to play with. Bluey and Bingo love to play together and share their toys. When they're all done playing with their toys, they clean up. They put them away where they belong. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up. Bluey and Bingo do their share. Clean up. Bluey is playing outdoors down the stairs. I wonder if Bluey will meet a friend. What do you think? Oh, here comes Bingo, Bluey's friend, coming down the stairs to play with Bluey. Bluey shows Bingo a red balloon from a party he went to. Uh-oh, Bluey let the balloon go. Up, 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 it goes to the sky. That's okay, we'll play with other things. Bluey and Bingo love to play dress up. Bluey has a crown. Bingo has a crown also, but it's made out of flowers. It's a flower crown. Who shall wear the scarf? We have a scarf. Who shall wear it, Bluey or Bingo? Who should wear the scarf? Oh, Bluey's going to wear the scarf. Bingo can wear the tie. Purple and pink tie. Bluey and Bingo play catch. They're throwing the ball back and forth to each other. Bingo uses his star wand to hit the ball back and forth. Time for a snack. Who's going to want the ice cream, Bingo or Bluey? Bluey's going to eat the ice cream. Bingo wants a banana this time. Bluey and Bingo love to play soccer. They're going to kick the ball with their feet, back and forth, back and forth. Do you see what Bluey has? Do you see what Bluey has? Yes, it's a hammer. A hammer's used to fix things. Bluey and Bingo are going back inside the house. It's time for them to get ready for bed. Bluey and Bingo are going up the stairs. They're going to take a bath, brush their teeth, and read a story. Good night, Bluey. Good night, Bingo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.